underway in the semi-finals here, and that is the Tokyo Olympic champion, current European champion, Ricarda Funk.
Ricarda was in Penrith training earlier this year. She came without the German team, which is unusual for her.
So the time for the cutoff at the moment is Stanovska, 6.06 seconds. Fastest time, teammate Camille Prigent, 1:03.84.
Funk super fast in the staggers at the top of the course. It's early days yet, but it looks like she is on a cracker of a run. Comfortably into gate 12. Solid through gate 13.
Final in just over 3 hours time, local time here. 2:30 we kick off for the finals. Women will go first, and Chiro's had the longest break of all of them, having been the third paddler down and still sitting in second spot. Prigent, barring something going absolutely sideways here, she heads down towards the line even with the 2-second penalty. Looks like she will be safely through to confirm the 12 finalists. Well, 3.14, she is 7th. So Stanovska won't make it. Fox, after the drama, the disappointment, the scurrying around of the Foxes in front of us, has survived. 2 Australians through. Prigent, Rio champion Chiro, Hocevar, the young star, Woods lead fast.